We have a complimentary towel to wipe the car and keep it clean. The package is wrapped in foam so that it will not be damaged during long-distance transportation. Distribution for put the blade for removing the original car main engine. All kinds of wiring interfaces are complete, ready to use. Rich accessories and interfaces, there will be a better possibility of expansion. Original car style main engine style, but with more efficient, intelligent features and a driving experience.